Model, 2013 Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6 TDI 102 PS MAXI starts drives needs injector. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 176,049. MOT, the 26th of October 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Needs cylinder 2 injector replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Fault code for injector grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.